Good morning again, Jamaica Good Life, Randy, I just want to say pleasant thanks to all who donate to me. It's mean a lot to me, It helped me a lot because I don't know what I would do if I never get this help. So it mean a lot to me. Just want to say thanks to all who donate, like Janet, Pauline, Jamie, Pauline, Brandon, Jennifer Terry, Alia, Areli, Charlie Malachi Pumpkin, Ajani, and Dairy. If me no pronounce it good, you have to just see with me because I there how long I can't pronounce some of them, so me have somebody help me with it, So I just want to say pleasant thanks. It mean a lot. It mean a lot to me. So I just want to say pleasant thanks too, And we see more. Meanwhile, I depend on the way my video and something I make you see what is what's going on and everything, Big up Jamaica Good Life to the fullest same way. And thank you again.